owl soared high with silent grace, a stealthy glide through moonlit space. She turned her head, a full 360, feeling wise and rather nifty. But perched above, an eagle grand surveyed the skies, so proud and tanned. The owl, mid-spin, exclaimed in fright, "Oh, hoot! Who parked that bird in flight?" The eagle smirked, "Just taking 5, enjoying views and feeling alive." The owl replied, "Well, don't just sit. You're blocking my aerial circuit." So off she veered, with feathers fluffed, her evening flight now slightly huffed. Yet tales of that unexpected plight still echo through the starry night.